Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be using PowerPoint to make your virtual classroom interactive. Let's get to it. Okay, so today we'll be using our PowerPoint to make our virtual classroom interactive. Now, this is a fun way you can allow your students to explore the topics before class, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. Now, I copied a few pictures, parts of a flower, mass or weight, letter writing, and subject verb agreements. I want my students to be able to explore these topics before they come to class. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to embed links of videos to each picture so they can explore what the topic is about. So we're going to start with the parts of a flower, and we're going to go on YouTube, right? And we're going to find a picture that says, or a video rather, parts of a flower and their function. So ensure you're selecting a video that is child friendly, and I already loaded a video right here. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the word share, and I'm going to copy the link that is there. Once I copy the link, I'm going to minimize, go back to my PowerPoint. I'm going to right click on my picture, and I'm going to select the word hyperlink. Once I select the word hyperlink, you don't have to worry about any other setting. You're going to ensure that it is linked to existing file or web page, and what you're going to do, you don't need to focus on looking in. You're just going to focus on the address, and what you're going to do, you're going to right click in that address box, and you're going to paste the link that you have copied from the YouTube, and you're going to select OK. Now, if you put your cursor over the picture that says part of a flower, you can see that the link is already there. And we're going to repeat this step for all the other pictures. So let's go. So we have mass or weight. We're going to go to YouTube, and we're going to type in mass or weight, right? And we're going to select a child-friendly video that is not long, of course. So I'm going to select that 2 minutes. I mute my audio because of the advertisements that will be popping up. So I'm going to select share, copy, close, and then I'm going to mute that, minimize the YouTube, go back to my picture. Then I'm going to right click on my picture, select the word hyperlink. Then I'm going to right click in the box that says address and paste the link and select OK. So you can see that the link was embedded on the picture. Now we're going to do the same thing for our subject verb agreement. So let's go back to YouTube, and we're going to type in subject verb agreement. Then we're going to select a video that is not too long right here, and I'm going to select share, copy the link, minimize my YouTube, right click on my picture, select the word hyperlink, and I'm going to paste my link in the address area, press OK. We do the same for our letter writing. So we close this, go back, type in letter writing for kids, of course, because we want to make sure our videos are child friendly. And I'm putting emphasis on that because sometimes when we're finding video, they are not child friendly and they're too long. Now we're also going to copy this link. Go ahead, we copy the link and close this, minimize, and we're going to right click on our picture, select the word hyperlink, paste the link in the address box, and select OK. Now that we have embedded the link in the different pictures that I want my students to explore, and you can also do this for your computer, your pencil, your speaker, and any book that you have on your virtual classroom. You can be creative, but I just want my students to focus on the focus wall. So I make sure that I place the instruction here to click to explore. For them to be actually explore these videos, you have to put the PowerPoint into Slideshow. So you're going to go to Slideshow from current slide, of course. And once you put your cursor over each, you will realize that these pictures are embedded with links. So we're going to start with parts of a flower. There we go. Once you select, then we start with the weight. So the video you put there will also pop up. Let's go. It's loading, and there we go. Right, so the video is right there, and they will continue to explore. Once they finish watching a video and they select a different picture, it will take them to those particular videos that you have embedded on your virtual classroom, right? And as I mentioned, you can be creative. You could place the link on even yourself to say good morning. You could find a video on YouTube to say good morning, class, or today's schedule to explore, right? You can be creative, right? And this is one way you can make your focus wall interactive. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys for listening. Remember to like, to share, and to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment below if you have any question. Just state whatever you would like me to do, and I will get it done. See you soon. Bye.